Tired of your Salesforce looking like everyone else's? In 2 minutes, I'll show you how to apply a custom theme that makes your org stand out. No more staring at that generic blue interface that doesn't reflect your company at all. We're going to fix that right now. So here's the game plan. We'll start by opening Quick Settings. Then we'll access Advanced Setup. From there, we'll search for themes, pick the right one, and finally, activate it. Simple. All right, let's dive in. First thing you want to do is look in the top right corner of your Salesforce screen. See that little gear icon? That's your Quick Settings menu. Click on it. This is where all the quick configuration options live, but we're going deeper than that today. From that drop-down menu, you'll see an option that says Setup, or in some versions, Advanced Setup. Go ahead and click on that. This opens the full setup area where you can really customize your org. This is where the real magic happens, so don't be intimidated by all the options you see here. Now, once you're in Setup, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the left-hand menu. That's the Quick Find box. Type in the word Theme. Just the word Theme, all lowercase is fine. Salesforce will instantly filter the menu for you. This is one of those little tricks that saves so much time, and in my experience, it's how most admins navigate this stuff daily. You should see an option called Themes and Branding pop up in the filtered results. Click on it. This is the control center for everything visual in your org. This is where we can move away from that default look and start making things feel like your company. And here's the really important part. You'll see a drop-down menu that lets you choose between different theme types. Now, depending on your Salesforce edition, you might see options like Standard Theme or Custom Theme. If you want to match your company branding, you'll want to pick the Custom option. Click that drop-down and select the theme that works best for your org. Take a moment to look at the preview images, if they're available. They give you a good idea of what the end result will look like. Finally, once you've made your selection, look for the blue Activate button. Click it, and just like that, your new theme goes live. You might see a brief loading spinner as Salesforce processes the change, but it usually happens pretty quickly. Now, go ahead and navigate back to your main Salesforce view. You should immediately see the difference. Your org now has a professional, branded look that reflects your company identity instead of that generic, off-the-shelf appearance. And the best part? You did this in just a couple of minutes with no coding or complicated setup. If you want to go even further, you can always come back to this same Themes menu to fine-tune colors and logos. But for now, pat yourself on the back. Your Salesforce just got a serious upgrade.